Hello, Niagara-on-the-Lake. Betty Disero here. I first of all want to welcome you into my home. The reason for my being here for this video is because, as you know, yesterday Premier Ford declared the second state of emergency for the province of Ontario. As well, he declared a stay-at-home mandate, which means people should be working from home, people should be staying home. They should only be going out for essential travel to grocery stores, to pharmacies, to pick up takeout or a drive-through item at a retail shop, and not lingering. He did mention that going out to walk your dog, a little bit of exercise would be a healthy thing to do. But please, if you're doing that, keep a distance from people, wear a mask, and probably now people should be thinking about wearing a mask everywhere they go, and make sure that you're washing your hands and not touching your face if you can do that. The reason the province declared the state of emergency and this stay-at-home order is because the numbers throughout the province are going up. Niagara-on-the-Lake is not distinct in that regard, and our numbers we've watched over the past week or so go up at a very alarming rate. We now have 2 of our long-term care facilities with an outbreak, which sounds more severe than it may actually be. An outbreak is called by the region if there are 2 or more cases within a facility. So while we don't know from the region how many people are infected in these outbreaks, we need to take them as seriously as we can. Also, the spread within the community seems to be moving upward, a trend that we don't want to see. So it is very important that people follow the stay-at-home mandate from the province. The Premier mentioned, and through his medical officer mentioned, that there are 1/3 of the population not following the protocol. And so I'd like to, at this point, thank the 2/3 of the population that have taken this very seriously and kept up with the protocols and protecting themselves and other people. And I would like to ask those people that have become complacent or feel that they are safe to travel without taking precautions, please think of everyone else around you. You may feel that you are safe, but the people around you that you are within a distance, close proximity to, or when you're not wearing a mask, you could affect them. And we're trying to keep everyone safe. I do have some good news to share with you. Yesterday, Niagara Region did receive their first doses of the Pfizer vaccine, and Niagara Health Services, along with the Department of Health and Emergency Services, have started today putting doses into the arms of people within the Niagara region. There is a criteria that needs to be followed, so long-term care facilities and health workers will be first on that list, essential service workers as well. And when they are completed, and they hope to be completed within a short period of time, a few weeks, they will start moving forward to a more general population, working through from the most vulnerable down to those that aren't quite as at risk. So while we do see a light at the end of the tunnel, and we do have vaccines now going into people's arms, we still have to, because the numbers are increasing at a rate which is not acceptable or healthy and can cause severe death in our community and throughout the province. The Premier has said, stay home. There is a stay home order in place. We still are just getting the regulations for that stay home order that starts tonight at midnight. But our communications team will be putting out information as we go through and learn what those regulations are. They will be stricter to some degree than what we're in currently. But as I said, we're just getting the regulations now. Our staff are just going through them, and we will be informing people what they are as we learn ourselves. So I want to wish everyone good health and stay safe, and please follow the protocols with respect to keeping others safe too. And I will just remind you one more time, they are keep a distance, wear a mask, and wash your hands. They're very simple rules to follow. Please, everyone's life depends on it. Thank you.